At the National Lottery Community Fund, we believe everything starts with the community, and that's the name of our strategy. In Wales, over the last year, we've awarded £36.8 million to over 1,000 projects the length and breadth of Wales, and those grants are anywhere from £300 up to £500,000. So we support communities across Wales to flourish using money raised by the generosity of players of the National Lottery. We believe this money is really transformational. It supports communities to run facilities, improve facilities, run activities, and transform people's lives. People and Places programme is our large responsive funding programme in Wales. Over the last 5 years, we've awarded over £117 million to projects right the way across Wales, which really do transform lives. So last year we launched our new UK-wide strategy. It starts with community, and this is really based on a consultation we undertook throughout 2022 when we spoke to over 18,000 organisations the length and breadth of the UK to find out what was important to them. So People and Places is going to be a little more focused than it was in the past, and importantly we're going to focus around 4 key community missions that people told us were important to them. Firstly, that's about supporting communities to come together. Secondly, it's about supporting communities to be environmentally sustainable. Thirdly, about supporting communities to work with children and young people. And finally, supporting communities to live healthier lives. Critically, a lot of it stays the same. We still want you to tell us how you engage with your communities, how you join up with other services that are there, and importantly, how this builds on the strengths that already exist in those communities. But one of the things we are going to do as well is look more at how we support communities that are affected by poverty, disadvantage, and discrimination. So as well as having our mission around supporting communities to be environmentally sustainable, we're going to be asking all applicants to tell us how they manage their environmental impact, even if they're not an environmentally focused project. And to help you do this, we'll be putting materials on our website to actually help people understand what measures they can take to play their roles in tackling the climate and nature emergencies. So as part of developing the updated People and Places programme, customer testing is really important, and in doing that we've had some really positive feedback. We were particularly delighted that people actually welcomed the environment question because they saw it as part of their opportunity to contribute to addressing the climate and nature emergencies, and that really reflects the fund's commitment to being an environmentally regenerative funder as we go forward. We've updated it to allow you to apply through our digital application portal, which customers told was really important to them, but rest assured there's still the ability to apply offline as well. So you'll find all the information you need on our website, but also if you need to, we've got friendly teams on our advice line or funding officers that can provide additional support, additional advice to help you navigate the application process and get a great application into us.